Hey, I know you visited the sales page for Cook Without Recipes and you're thinking about it, wondering what your life might be like, and mulling it over, but you're not taking action. I'm here to tell you that this course is not for you if you're just looking for recipes or inspo that you can find on Pinterest or on Google. I'm not here to teach you to cook on autopilot, but I did create this course for you, and I am here to teach you the skills that all recipes are built upon. Every single recipe that you find is built upon some type of cooking method and certain key techniques. That's it. And they're just kind of regurgitated. And they're wonderful for inspiration. But if you're just on that hamster wheel of recipe after recipe, you're not truly learning what's behind all of that. And so if that's you, I would encourage you to jump on this sale after Saturday night at 11:59. The coupon goes away and full price is automatically posted. My DMs are open if you have any questions.